In this video, we'll be covering sales order entry, which is the first step in NetSuite's order-to-cash process. Sales orders can be created in a variety of ways, including import or automatically through EDI or e-commerce integrations. Today, I'll demonstrate how to enter an order through the system as a sales representative. If I don't have an open quote to convert to an order, then I will start by entering the items on the order form. At that point, NetSuite will automatically calculate the price based on predefined item and customer price levels. The system will also provide insight into inventory availability. If inventory is not available, then we can initiate supply activity to either build, if we're a manufacturer, procure, or drop ship directly to the customer. If inventory is available, then the system will provide a shipping estimate using native UPS, USPS, and FedEx shipping integration. We can also at this time apply discounts or promotions and then save the order, which generates a fulfillment notification in our warehouse. That fulfillment process will be the topic of our next video. All right, let's jump into the system. So I am currently logged in into NetSuite as a sales representative. Notice my pre-configured role-based dashboard, which is designed to boost productivity since I can initiate all my daily tasks directly from this screen. We use reminders to spark action within process workflows, as well as proactively alert users to things to complete, tasks to complete, overdue calls, opportunities to close. Dashboard tiles and shortcuts are going to provide quick and easy access to the transactions, reports, and list of leads, customers, and prospects that I need to access every day. I can do it all directly from my dashboard. So let's say I just received a phone call from a customer, Smith Supplies, and they want to place an order. I don't need to navigate through a series of menus to enter an order. Instead, I can do so quickly directly from my dashboard. I can search for Smith Supplies. And quickly proceed with entering the details of this order, like their PO number and location. I can easily search for items to enter onto the order. And when I select them, NetSuite is going to automatically calculate the price based on price levels for Smith Supplies and for this item. This is set up on the item and customer records and can be defaulted onto these orders. The buyer at Smith Supplies also wants to receive their solar power attic fan by a certain date. So we can input that date. That's going to ensure that my customer gets the items on time. And with order entry driving manufacturing in a make-to-order scenario, your shop floor is going to be able to react to this order in real time. No more entering information into multiple systems, writing emails, placing phone calls, or walking out to your warehouse. This means we're able to cut down on inaccurate shipments due to misallocation of finished goods and ultimately leading to accurate on-time shipments and happier customers. Calculating shipping is done with a simple click of the button. NetSuite native integration with UPS and FedEx brings in real-time rates from the carrier based on order and item criteria that we have predefined. So once I add that item, be able to calculate it. No more navigating to a separate system or portal or website. NetSuite's going to do this automatically. All right, let's go ahead and save this order. We're going to be fulfilling this order using that available inventory, but I also could have had the system at this time automatically generate a work order or a purchase order. A work order to initiate production if it's make to order, a purchase order for either special purchase order to come to our warehouse for us to then fulfill, or a dropship PO, which would go directly to the customer. And all those supply orders are going to pull in this sales order detail like customer, item, ship to addresses, and by automating that process, I'm going to eliminate duplicate data entry. I'm going to boost my accuracy and cut down on the use of paper and file cabinets, all while initiating downstream business processes.